Here I have ASUS ZenFone 5Z, and let me show you how to enable power saving mode on the following device. We have two methods to do it, so let's start with the first one. At the very beginning, open the upper bar, then find and select battery modes. And here you'll be able to notice some battery modes, actually 4 of them. The first one will definitely not save your power, the performance, because it gives you the highest quality of display and sound. Then there is a normal, so it's the standard one. And finally you have power saving and super saving mode. So pick either power saving mode, and in this mode networks will be disabled shortly after your device is asleep. And in super saving mode, it's for extreme situations. Only phone calls, messages and alarms are awake. You have to confirm that you would like to enable it. You can also enable automatic switch on of battery saving mode by tapping on one of those switchers. You can have either power saving mode when the battery is lower than, for example, 5 or 10% of it. You can personalize it by tapping on switch by battery level, and here you can adjust it to your needs. And pick the battery saving mode that you would like to adjust once the battery is lower than, for example, I don't know, 15%. Then you can also pick switch by schedule, so just tap on it, and now you can select start time, for example 2 p.m. and the end time, for example 6 p.m. And now your power saving mode, the one that you will choose, will be on from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. If you would like to switch off the battery saving mode, just simply tap on normal. The second method starts with opening the list of all applications. Then you have to open the settings. Here find and select the battery. Now go to Power Master, select battery modes, and again you are in the same menu, and you can do exactly the same things as in the previous one and the previous method. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.